Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to move your BNB from Coinbase to Kraken in 2025, you're in the right place. BNB, or Binance Coin, is a popular cryptocurrency used for trading, payments, and more, and transferring it between exchanges is a breeze with the right steps. Today, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can do this confidently and securely. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Coinbase and Kraken, and that you have some BNB in your Coinbase wallet. Start by logging into your Coinbase account using your email, password, and two-factor authentication for added security. Once you're in, head over to your portfolio or assets section and find your BNB holdings. Next, select BNB and click on the Withdraw option. You'll be prompted to enter the destination wallet address. This is crucial. Head over to your Kraken account, go to the deposit section, and generate or copy your BNB wallet address. Double-check this address because any mistake could mean losing your funds forever. Paste it into the withdrawal form on Coinbase. Now, enter the amount of BNB you want to withdraw. Remember to account for any network fees, which in 2025 might be handled via the BNB Smart Chain for faster, cheaper transactions. Review all the details carefully, including the estimated arrival time, and hit confirm. You'll likely need to verify this through email or an authenticator app. After confirmation, sit tight. Crypto withdrawals can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, log back into Kraken and check your account to ensure the BNB has arrived. If everything looks good, you're all set to trade or hold it there. A quick tip. Always use the official apps or websites and enable security features like withdrawal whitelists if available. This process might evolve with new regulations or updates in 2025, so stay informed. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop your questions in the comments below. See you next time.